present. You saw the whole of the moon, the whole of the moon. You were there in the turnstiles with the wind at your heels. You stretched for the stars and you know how it feels to reach too high, too far, too soon. You saw the whole of the moon. I was grounded while you filled the skies. I was dumbfounded by truth. You cut through lies. I saw the rain-dirty valley. You saw Brigadoon. I saw the crescent. You saw the whole of the moon. I spoke about wings. You just flew. I wondered, I guess then I tried. You just knew. I sighed. But you swooned. I saw the crescent. You saw the whole of the moon, the whole of the moon. With a torch in your pocket and the wind